Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2015. That is, if Sohan, while selling two goats at the selling two goats at the same price makes a profit of 10% on one goat and suffers a loss of 10% on the others. Suffers a loss of 10% on the other. Then what is the result? See, while selling two goats at the same price, see, that is SP of goat 1 is equal to SP of goat 2, right? Let's take SP of goat 1, selling price of goat 1, let's take it as Y1, right? Let's take it goat 2 as also Y1, right? Both are equal. That is, goat G1 also he sold it for say 100 rupees, so he sold it, and goat 2 also he sold it for 100 rupees. Now makes a profit of 10%. सी प्रॉफिट हमेशा किस में बनाता है? सीपी में, दैट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस, दैट इज राइट, जो गोट का, राइट. सो लेट्स टेक सीपी ऑफ गोट 1 इज इक्वल टू x1, राइट, एंड सीपी ऑफ गोट 2 इज इक्वल टू x2, दैट इज जो गोट आपने खरीदा, राइट, दैट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस, राइट. सो दैट इज x1. अब देखो, makes a profit of 10% on goat 1. Goat 1 में profit, so that is x1, right? x1 plus 10%, that is 10 by 100 of x1 is equal to sp of goat 1, right? See, that is what basically we know. ठीक है, cp plus profit is equal to sp. This is a formula. Or cost SP minus CP is equal to profit, right? And we know that is CP minus loss is equal to SP, right? CP minus loss is equal to SP. CP minus loss is also SP, right? So this is cost price goat profit. Then see here, goat 2 suffers a loss of 10%. So this is X2 is the cost price of goat 2 minus 10% loss. So minus 10 by 100 of X2 is equal to selling price of goat 2, that is also Y1, right? So this is, see, 1s are and this is 10s are, and this is 1s are and this is 10s are. So 10x1 plus x1 by 10 is equal to Y1, right? Then 10x2 minus x2 by 10 is equal to y1. So this is 11x1 is equal to 10y1, 9x2 is equal to 10y1, right? So from this, equating both, so this is equal to this, right? So we can equal it. So 11x1 is equal to 9x2, right? So x1 by x2 is equal to 9 by 11. X1 by x2 is equal to 9 by 11. See, now x1 is what? CP of goat 1, right? X2 is what? CP of goat 2. CP of goat 1, CP of goat 2, right? So this is x1 by x2, right? Now, right, so there is a difference of G1 and G2 are in the ratio, right? CP of G1 and G2 are in the ratio, that is x1 is to x2 are in the ratio 9 is to 11, right? 9 is to 11, right? Now let's multiply with 100, right? We can tell, right? See, if we multiply, so into 100, right? Let's take a 900, a 1100, right? Cost price. Then see, cost price of goat 1 plus goat 2 is equal to 900 plus 1100. This is just to make easy, right? दोनों को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, रेशियो 9:11 है तो, राइट? सो दैट इज 2000, ठीक है? दोनों का खरीदने का कॉस्ट है गोट्स को, दैट इज 2000, राइट? दैट इज नाउ सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ G1 plus G2 is equal to, right? See, cost price is 900 plus 1100, right? 900 plus 1100. Now we know, see, cost price plus profit is equal to SP, right? Cost price minus loss is equal to SP. So see, for first cost one, G1 ka cost is 900, right? Plus profit of 10%, right? That is 10% of 900 is 90 is equal to selling price. So that is 990 is the selling price of goat 1. So 990 प्लस अब देखो सीपी माइनस लॉस, गोट 2 का लॉस हुआ, सो गोट 2 का सीपी इज 1100, राइट? माइनस लॉस इज 10% लॉस, तो 10% इज 110, राइट? इज इक्वल टू एसपी, दैट इज अगेन 1100 minus 110, right? This is 1000 minus 10 is 990. So 990 again is, so this is 018, right? So this is 1980 is the selling price. अब देखो दोनों खरीदने में we spent 2000, right? By selling we only got 1980, so that is overall loss of 20 rupees. So 20 rupees loss, and loss happens with respect to what? With respect to CP, that is 20 rupees of 2000, that is our loss percentage is, we know the formula, right? That is, see, 20 rupees is 1% of 2000, right? So that is 1% loss happened overall you have 20 rupees loss, right? 20 rupees loss with respect to 2000, so that is 1% loss. So he suffers a loss of 1%. He suffers a loss of 1%, right? So this is the first method, normal method, where we did with the formula CP SP ka. Now short technique se bhi we can do, that is, see, G1 is given 10% profit. 10% profit when we sold it, right? So 10% profit can be written as 10 by 100. So that is 1 by 10, right? So this is 10 profit EA. So there is 10 plus 1. So this is 11 by 10. So 11 is हमेशा नीचे, this is CP and this is SP, right? This is SP. So profit है तो हमेशा CP is more. Then G2 go 2 is 10% loss. 10% loss, right? So that is 10 by 100. So this is 1 by 10, right? 1 by 10, right? Cancel here also. So this is C. 10, since it is a loss, 10 minus 1. So that is 9 by 10. So 9 is CP of goat 2, right? This is SP of goat 2. So this is CP of goat 1 and this is SP of goat 1, right? So here it is, see, 9, see, in question it is given SP is same. SP of goat 1 and goat 2 are same. See, to make it equal, what we can do, see, here multiply with 9, so you get 99, and here multiply with 11, here also you get 99. So since ऊपर 11 से multiply किया, so नीचे भी 11 से multiply होगा, so that is 110, and इधर भी 9 से multiply होगा, so that is 90. So now you got, see, CP of G1 plus G2, that is CP of G1 is 90 plus CP of G2 is 110, right? Then SP of G1 plus G2, that is SP of G1 is 99, SP of G2 is 99. So this is, see, this is 200 overall cost price, and overall cost price of goat 1 and goat 2 is 198, right? So that means there is a 2 rupees loss. 2 rupees loss by basically goat 1 and goat 2 you bought it for 200 rupees and you sold it for 198, right? So there is a 2 rupees loss. So 2 rupees loss out of 200. So that is 2 is what percent? So 2 is 1%, 1% of 200, right? 2 is 1% of 200, that is 1% loss, right? This is the second method, right? We can use any of the methods and we will get the answer, suffers a loss of 1%.